Welcome back to Smooth Auto Vibes. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Hyundai Inster, Hyundai's bold step into the future of compact urban mobility. Whether you're a city commuter, tech lover, or just someone curious about what Hyundai's cooking up next, you're going to want to hear this. So let's dive in. The Hyundai Inster is a fresh take on what a city car can be. Based on the platform of the Hyundai Casper, a small gas-powered car sold in South Korea, the Inster takes that familiar footprint and electrifies it, literally. This EV brings together practicality, modern design, and next-gen technology, all in a package that's perfectly tailored for urban streets. First off, the design. The 2025 Inster isn't trying to look like every other electric car out there. It's got a boxy, futuristic silhouette, with pixelated LED headlights and taillights that give it a playful yet high-tech vibe. The Inster is compact, but it makes a strong visual statement, something between retro charm and digital age design. You get short overhangs, squared-off wheel arches, and a black roof that creates a floating effect. It's got a personality, and that's refreshing. Now let's talk size. The Inster measures around 3.8 meters in length, just a bit longer than the Casper, but still super easy to maneuver in tight city spots. Hyundai says it has optimized interior space thanks to the EV platform, so you're not sacrificing room for style. It comfortably seats 4 adults, and the flat floor adds to the spacious feel inside. When it comes to the powertrain, Hyundai is offering 2 battery options. There's a standard 42 kWh battery and an extended 49 kWh version. That might not sound like a ton, but because of the Inster's compact size and efficiency, you're getting a solid estimated range of around 220 to 250 miles on a single charge. More than enough for daily commutes, grocery runs, and weekend getaways. Charging is smooth too. Hyundai's targeting fast charging capability that lets you go from 10 to 80% in just about 30 minutes, depending on your charger. And of course, the Inster will support the Hyundai Connected Car Navigation Cockpit System, basically, a fancy way of saying it'll find you the best charging spots, monitor range, and keep your drive stress-free. Inside, the Inster brings in a surprisingly premium vibe for such a small car. You get a clean, minimalist dashboard with dual screens, a digital instrument cluster and an infotainment display. There's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a suite of safety features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Hyundai is really leaning into its reputation for packing value into every model. One of the coolest things about the Inster is how customizable it is. From color options to interior themes, Hyundai wants buyers to feel like they're driving something that fits their personality, not just a cookie-cutter city car. Expect playful trim names and fun limited editions down the line too. And here's the big picture. The Hyundai Inster isn't just another EV, it's a new kind of mobility tool for urban living. It's small but smart, efficient but stylish. It understands that the future of driving isn't always about going bigger and bolder. Sometimes, it's about going smarter and simpler. And Hyundai seems to get that. So if you've been waiting for an affordable, stylish, and well-equipped electric city car, the 2025 Hyundai Inster might be just what you're looking for. Pricing details are still to come, but expect it to be competitive. Hyundai knows how to play that game well. That wraps up today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this ride through the future with the Inster, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next review. This is Smooth Auto Vibes, where the road meets the future, one vibe at a time.